a dream? Why are you chasing the things that you cannot keep? When you are awake, please do the things that you truly love and fulfill your mission here. Give up your time to help a stranger and show someone that you care. And then you row your own life's boat gently down life's stream. Merrily, 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 this life is but a dream. Oh yeah, now, are you truly happy being alive today and with the job that you do? Does your heart sings in harmony a merry little song for you, reminding you of what matters most, that to yourself be true? Cause you're here today, maybe gone tomorrow. You can't take your possessions with you. So row your own life's boat gently down life's stream. Cause merrily, 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 this life is but a dream. Oh yeah now, oh how good it feels, be like a child again and singing these nursery rhymes. For who we are inside cannot change, we have been there all the time. Jumping jacks and skipping ropes were just some of the games that we played. Ain't it funny how life just slips away while we were much too busy to play? I say, row your own life's boat gently down life's stream. Cause merrily, 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 this life is but a dream. Oh, merrily, 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 this life is but a dream. Merrily, 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 this life